So my name is Rajat Rai. I'm from Department Industrial and Systems Engineering, and I got selected in I3 Consulting, and the profile was business analyst, where and the firm is deal with strategic consulting business. So the main highlights of my CV were the projects were related to consulting. I had some paper published submitted for publications, so that helped me a lot. And I also have summer internship in Ireland. So I3 Consulting also wants you to travel across the world, so that helps me a lot. And for preparation of my interview, I didn't prepare much for that. I just prepared for quants and logical abilities that were also asked in pre-assessment test of CDC. So I just did that general preparation of cases and guesstimates and puzzles. So basically, in my interview, the first round was a test, and I got selected in test across with 30 other peoples. So after that, we are given two simple cases and the time of 10 minutes. So we uh, we just have to write it down on a rough page. So we did that, and finally I got selected with 16 other people. So these 16 people were called for personal interviews, and the personal interview was based on technical stuff. He asked me one simple question: how to swap A and B without using third variable. After that, he asked me one question on guesstimates, which was how many streetlights are there in IIT Kharagpur. And the last question was, he has given me a case study of a farm tractor manufacturer, and they are incurring some losses. So how they could face that? So my approach was, basically, you don't need to answer all the questions. You need to they just want to see your approach, how you are approaching towards the solution, how is your thinking procedure. So you need to ask them questions, and you need to ask them questions which are related to the solution. So that would help me a lot. And after that question, i had I had a good impression on them. So my next round was HR round. It was telephonic round, and I got a call from a guy, and he talked me about 10 minutes and general thing about why do you wanna join, and general of my CV and all that thing. You need to prepare that earlier. And after that, finally I got a call from HR, and the lady interviewed me from for at least 20 minutes, and she didn't ask me anything. She just discussed the things, general thing, what I'm doing, I'm comfortable with traveling, or general thing. So in conclusion, I just want to add that be calm in the interview. That was my first interview of my life, and I got selected just because stay calm in the whole interview and give it nicely. That's all.